What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ashley. I'm back with another video. So today, first things first, I want to shout out to all my new subscribers. And if you are new, this is your first time watching my video, my name's Ashley. Nice to meet you. Go ahead and subscribe because I'm sure you're gonna be coming back for more. Anywho, so today is March 5th. I'm not sure what today's date is. I think it's the 5th or the 6th. I'll put it here what today's date is. That's horrible intro. But yeah, so today Paris, for those of you that know, I just had a baby girl named Paris. She is 2 weeks as of yesterday. Yeah, today's Tuesday. So yesterday she turned 2 weeks old, which means I had to come back for the follow-up. If you guys watched my I think it was a vlog after my delivery, I stated that she took her hearing test and she failed for the left ear. So today she's going to be retaking that test. They give her about 2 weeks to make sure that all the fluids and stuff are out of her ear, and see if she'll be able to pass it. So I am actually here now. I'm actually late, so I need to run in there. I just wanted to do the intro before I went in there so you guys know what I'm doing there and so forth and so on. AC fixed, kids all right. Let me go ahead and get them in the stroller, and then we'll be going into the hospital. The hearing test is done at the same hospital that I had her, so if you guys wanted to know. Let's go, because I'm late.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm pushing them in now. Y'all, I'm late. She has a 2 o'clock appointment, and my appointment was at 1 o'clock. And I called her and let her know I was coming at 1:30. And it's currently like 1:40 something right now. So I am late. But I can't rush any faster because I have 2 of them and I'm still healing. So my tummy is still kind of sore. So yeah. Anywho, this is Perry girl in her little sundress, and this is Princey. I don't know if you guys can see him back there. He's chilling in his basketball shorts. I think I'll go in through here. All right, let's go. What's the matter? What's the matter, Paris?
This is yours. You have a good one.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
Y'all, I just took the elevator to the wrong side. I took it to the 4th floor, but it's the wrong side of the hospital. So I got to go back down to the 2nd floor, go back to the other side, and then take it up to the 4th floor. I ain't gonna reach until 2. And then this lady is gonna have to do the other person first. But it's okay. It's okay. Me and my chicklins. Princey. Hi. Hi, Prince. Paris was just laughing. I'm trying to get her to do it. What's so funny? What's so funny?
And the curry control there. Then
Missed the elevator. Watching Paris smile. I missed the elevator. Oh God. Look at my baby. Oh, their baby mobile. Baby mobile. So you said she has to sleep for you to do it?
Well, it needs to be very still, you know?
Okay.
Let's see if I can make her a little comfy, you know? Snuggly.
Okay, let me give you something. Yeah, that's usually how it goes. One then the other. Now you see why it took so long for me to get.
Yes, I did.
You had yours back to back? A year apart?
Well, I adopted all of mine. So they were like, yeah, 14 months apart. Yeah, okay. I love flower dresses. My daughter doesn't like them, but I like them.
I like most of them.
Yeah. Doesn't have, you know, which ones you get.
So she passed for the left and the right?
Yes.
Yay. You guys, Prince was doing the most. But at least Paris passed her hearing test, and parking is this way. Garage, right? Yeah. Good. So Paris passed her hearing test, and everything is good. Thank you. What's your name?
Terry. Oh, no.
Oh my God. All right, y'all. So I'm currently back home. I stopped at Popeyes to get some food. Both of the kids are asleep, so I'm eating in the car. Because I know once I get out, there's a possibility of them waking up. And then I won't be able to eat. If you're a mother, you understand. I got the $5 shrimp box. For those of you out that don't know, they got the butterfly shrimp back, $5. I love my sweet heat. But all in all, today I'm very happy that she passed her test, because low-key I was worried. Like, I knew she can hear because one day my phone went off and it was her left ear, it was right by her left ear, and she jumped up. So I'm like, okay, it seems as if her ears are working fine. But you know, you just get terrified because they tell you, you know, she didn't pass the test initially, so I was still scared about that. And then yeah, so I'm happy she passed the test. Prince was giving me hell in there. He started acting up, but the lady has kids, so she knows. It's embarrassing when your kids act up. It's like you want to beat their ass, but you can't really beat their ass in public. I don't really beat Prince's ass, but I'll be like, sit down. But I don't want to do that in public. But she was cool. And, when I was leaving, I saw my ex-boyfriend's friend's mom. So that's why that's why that last clip was kind of short. Yeah. But thank y'all for watching. I'm about to dig into this food and get in the house. I didn't get anything to drink, so I'm gonna get something from home. So I need to hurry up because my ass is thirsty. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace. I need you to stay.